Welcome back to Learning with a Difference News Headlines in English for 25th of August. And first of all, national news. Herd of 24 wild elephants were reported camped in Kerala rubber plantation. Money Laundering Act verdict to be reviewed by Supreme Court on August 25. Congress YouTube channel deleted. Party said cause not known yet. After defamation case by Telangana's K. Kavitha, court's notice to two BJP leaders. Lack of rain will hit paddy cultivation. Meteorology official told to NDTV. Supertech Twin Towers at 2:30 p.m. on August 28, the demolition will take place using explosives. PM Modi inaugurated Homi Bhabha Cancer Hospital in Mohali on Wednesday. Ashok Gehlot ordered survey to assess damage amid heavy rain in Rajasthan. No trees to be cut in RA colony. Strictly abide by it. Supreme Court to Mumbai Metro. And now some international news. Russia detained opposition politician for criticizing Ukraine invasion. Price of instant noodles increased in Thailand for the first time in 14 years. Privacy complaint targets Google over unsolicited ad emails. Balenciaga faced backlash for launching earrings that look like shoelaces, cost over 20,000. Always by your side. Rishi Sunak's open letter to Ukraine. Biden marked Ukraine Independence Day with $3 billion in military aid. Swiss glaciers melting faster have shrunk by half since 1930, a study said. Thailand Prime Minister suspended from office amid case over term limit. And now some sports news. VVS Lakshman named interim head coach of Team India for Asia Cup 2022. Virat Kohli's aura of invincibility has faded. Ex-India cricketer's strong take on former captain. Batting will, Virat Kohli compared current slump in form with 2014 struggles. Now let's have a look on business news. Sensex Nifty gained for the second straight session, defying global stocks skid. Unauthorized publication of export-import data on offense, Finance Ministry. Top PNB management to get mobile handset allowance of rupees 2 lakh per year. Boeing said plans to be built on existing investments in India. SBI Cap Securities names Deepak Kumar Lalla as CEO. Sri Lanka banned import of 300 consumer goods items to stabilize economy. Kerala borrowing money following centre's rule, State Finance Minister. Geopolitical tensions biggest risk to India's growth outlook, RBI member. And now let's have a look on the weather of New Delhi. On 25th of August, the temperature of New Delhi at the daytime will reach to 34 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 27 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.